Big Sky Chimney is Bozemans Premier full-service chimney sweep with CSIA Certified Technicians. Since 2001, Big Sky Chimney has been servicing Gallatin County, Madison County, and Park County. With 37 years of combined experience in the industry, their team of CSIA Certified Technicians is dedicated to ensuring the safety and efficiency of your chimney systems. Using state-of-the-art equipment and techniques, Big Sky Chimney thoroughly cleans and inspects chimneys to remove built-up soot, creosote, debris, and blockages that can pose a fire hazard. Regular chimney maintenance is essential to prevent chimney fires and carbon monoxide leaks, protecting your home and family. Big Sky Chimney also sells and installs wood stoves and chimneys. Their technicians also perform fireplace and chimney repairs, ensuring that your chimney is in top condition year-round. Whether you need a minor repair or a complete chimney rebuild, their team has the expertise to handle any job with precision and care. Don't wait until it's too late. Schedule your chimney sweep service with Big Sky Chimney today and enjoy peace of mind knowing that your chimney is safe and functioning properly. When your family's fire safety depends on the quality of service, you can trust the certified experts at Big Sky Chimney.